In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Pluto TV. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and proceed to search for Pluto TV. You should be able to find right here this. So if an install application or install button is available, just head over and click on the install. You can also find options like get or download, so make sure to click on those in order to install this directly on your device. So once you have it installed, you also need to sign up for an account. To change the language, I have right here this article that can help us. So on this case, you can actually get closed captions and enable it right there if it's available. So by language, you can't actually change the language of the actual interface. That means that if your material you're watching is in English, you can dub it into Spanish or other language. You can also just enable the subtitles. So for example, just head over and then get it directly and enable it. So turn on accessibility settings, enter the captions column and activate it directly. So if you have it right there, you can also just click onto the actual video and you can see the captions option. Make sure to enable it, and if it had another language or another language available, make sure to just click on the language that you want to play. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.